In today's video, we'll be learning how to calculate the amount of fabric we'll be using or we'll be needing for a 360 degrees flare. 360 degrees flare is a full circle flare. 360 degrees flare. Have a circle, full circle this way. This is our circle. We have 90 degrees, we have 180 degrees, we have 270 degrees flare, and we have 360 degrees flare. So we want to calculate the amount of fabric we'll be needing for a 360 degrees flare. And for us to calculate it, the formula is waist circumference. The waist circumference divided by 6.28. This is the formula. Waist circumference divided by 6.28. Let's assume that the waist is 36. We have 36 here for the waist. We want to, because of the stretch, we'll be subtracting 1 inch from it. So we'll be having 35. So we'll not be having excess at the waist area. So we'll be needing 35 divided by 6.28. So let's see. 35 divided by 6.28. What we are having is 5.57, approximately 5.6. So this is the radius we'll be working with. So having gotten the radius, the material we'll be needing. Let's say this is our skirt. So we have gotten the radius for the waist, and this is the length of the skirt. And let's say the length here is 20. So we're adding this up. 5.7 plus 20, which is the length. Or let's say that is the radius, which is 5.57 plus length, which is 20. If we add them together, we'll be achieving 5.57 plus 20. We'll be having a 25.57. So this is what we'll be working with, and this will be multiplying it by 2. Times 2, we have 51.14. So on our fabric now, let's assume this is our fabric. So for the material now, we'll be needing 51.14 here. We'll be needing 51.14, which is our value. 51.14 is the value. So we'll be marking 51.14 here, 51.14 here, 51.14 here, 51.14 here, 51.14. So we need a square like this. Here it should be equal to 51.14, 51.14, 51.14, 51.14. So this is the material we'll be using. So for us to fold it for a 360 degrees flare, we have to first of all fold it this way. We fold it this way. We fold it this way. I'll also fold it down this way. So what we have as our radius is 5.57. So that is what we'll be marking here for the radius. Just mark whatever you have as the radius. And from here now, you will be marking the length, which is 20. The length of the skirt is 20, so you'll be marking the length of the skirt. So this is for the length of the skirt. And you'll be connecting. Just make sure you mark it all round. You can start marking from here, which is 25.5. You can start marking from here to achieve 25.5, or you can take out your radius. Once you have taken out your radius, you start the remaining length of the skirt from here, which is your 20. So we'll cut this out now and see. You see, this is for our circle. This is the circle skirt we have cut. Are you seeing it? So this is the waist area. So this is the waist area, and this is the full circle. You can open it up at the center area like so. I see what I'm doing. You can open it up like this. This will be for our center back. You just open it and sew it round. Sew it round. This is for the front and the back. If you need a seam only at the center back, you open it up and sew it round. But if you'll be needing a seam by this side, if you want to separate the two, you want to separate it here, you also want to separate it, you want to have two you want to separate it, separate the front and the back. That means you'll be cutting out here, also cut out here. And make sure you add your sewing allowance before joining. So if you want to join it as one piece, you only need opening at the center back. But if you want to have seam at the side, you have to cut here and cut here. This side will be for the back, while this side will be for the front. Remember to add your sewing allowance, because here is only the waist circumference. I hope you have gotten value from this video. Please consider to like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. I will work on the 270, 180 and 90 degrees flare. Thank you. This video,